Clean it up or something.
Good morning, you guys. I was making my morning coffee and Rain and I were kind of just talking about how awesome like today's morning light is. And I started thinking I haven't done an apartment tour in this new space yet. And we're getting really close to fall. And knowing me, I'm probably going to start decorating pretty soon. So I thought, since it's just like so sunny today and the house is relatively clean, that we would do an apartment tour. I still have some mini projects that I do want to work on, but I figured I could probably do one of those, maybe two today, and then kind of just like work through that list. Funny enough, Rain and I actually wrote down like a very extensive to-do list when it came to the house, like little projects that I think we've just like put off. Yeah, so I thought it'd be really fun to just take you guys along this apartment, because I think the last time we left off, we were still in our Denver apartment and I was decorating for Halloween, so this is long overdue. This fireplace, I was going back and forth between painting and peel and stick tile. I think ultimately, since we like to use the fireplace, I do want to paint it, but now I'm just trying to figure out, I don't know if I want to do like a solid color or if I wanted to try and stencil like a cool motif design on it. These two prints, I actually just painted this frame red because I thought that it would match the vibe in here more than the original black frame. But I do want to finally hang these up. I don't know, I get so intimidated by a really big blank space, and especially when it comes to hanging up art. I get a little bit in my head, but I think I just have to start and I can build off of it. It's not like I can't take it down. This corner over here just really got neglected in my opinion. It's cord central, toys, a lot of books just kind of thrown in these cubbies. I'd really like to be able to clean this up. I'm thinking maybe moving this Xbox right here into one of the cubbies. So just trying to create some space. I need to figure out something with these cords. Since we have our TV on like an easel, it does roll out and we do like that feature. So I don't think I can do any of the like cord covers, but I'm wondering if I could just tuck them away and find like a system where I'm able to tuck them away when I don't have the TV rolled out. Contrast between this really cool painted stripe wall and then this bare wall, it just feels so out of place. Thinking about putting some art up here too, and then I have this really cool wall lights that I wanted to maybe hang over. Otherwise, my other option would be to either wallpaper it or paint it, but I don't know. I think to start, maybe something a little more low effort. Hallway, which is just really lacking anything. I do have some plans for here. I really do want to tidy this up, or I just want to get a proper shoe rack. I've loved this rattan shelf. I got it when we lived in Germany, so I do have a very intense attachment to it, but I just don't think that it serves my space anymore. I know I have popcorn ceilings and I have these really ugly old sprinkler heads in here, but I would really like to do a renter-friendly light fixture to cover this one. I've seen the tulip light shades and I think that could be an option. They're just kind of expensive. Yeah, just a lot to be desired in this hallway.